We've known about the idea of the greenhouse effect since the 1820s, but it was Eunice Foote, a women's rights activist, who first showed how it could actually work. In 1856, she used an air pump to fill glass cylinders with different gases and then tested the effect of sunlight on them. One was carbon dioxide, CO2.
The receiver containing the gas became itself much heated, and on being removed, it was many times as long in cooling.
Foote's experiments suggested that CO2 and water vapour trap heat more than other gases do, and the potential effects on our climate began to emerge.
An atmosphere of that gas would give to our Earth a high temperature.
That year, she submitted her findings to an American scientific society. At their conference, she wasn't able to take questions directly because someone else presented her work for her, and it wasn't published in the proceedings of the society. Another journal did end up publishing her paper, but it went largely unnoticed. 3 years later, Irish physicist John Tyndall did more complex experiments, finding other greenhouse gases that trap heat. He went on to become one of the founding figures of climate science. Nobody knows if he'd read Eunice Foote's paper, but his own didn't mention her or her glass cylinders at all. No pictures of Foote have survived, and her contribution remained buried for 150 years, only coming to light by chance in 2010 when a retired geologist discovered a citation of her work in an antique science annual.